In a move that's electrified the automotive world, Toyota's CEO Koji Sato recently unveiled a groundbreaking new engine technology, poised to shake up the entire electric vehicle (EV) industry. This bombshell drops as the race towards electrification accelerates, with major automakers pouring resources into EV tech. But Toyota's daring innovation suggests the future of transportation might not be exclusively electric after all. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for the latest updates. Sato revealed that Toyota has been quietly developing a revolutionary new engine designed to tackle the limitations of current electric vehicles. While he kept the specifics under wraps, Sato teased its potential to drastically improve fuel efficiency and performance compared to today's combustion engines. This tantalizing glimpse has set the industry abuzz, with experts and consumers alike eager to uncover the full story behind Toyota's ambitious project. The timing of this announcement is nothing short of seismic. The global automotive industry is undergoing a massive shift towards electric mobility. Companies like Tesla, Nissan, and Volkswagen have been leading this charge, offering a plethora of EV models to meet the growing demand for greener transportation. Tesla's Model S, Nissan's Leaf, and Volkswagen's ID.4 are just a few examples of EVs that have skyrocketed in popularity, thanks to their cutting-edge technology and eco-friendly appeal. Toyota's unexpected pivot raises intriguing questions about the future of EVs and the sustainability of electric propulsion as the automotive industry's leading force. As one of the world's largest automakers, Toyota's move to develop a new engine technology could dramatically reshape the competitive landscape, challenging the dominance of EV pioneers and potentially redefining the path forward in this high-stakes race for automotive supremacy. Stay tuned as this story unfolds. The future of transportation might just be about to get a lot more exciting. One of the key advantages touted by proponents of Toyota's new engine technology is its ability to address the range anxiety that plagues many EV owners. While electric vehicles have made significant strides in recent years in terms of battery technology and charging infrastructure, range limitations remain a concern for consumers, especially those who rely on their vehicles for long-distance travel. Toyota's engine promises to deliver improved fuel efficiency, which could extend the range of conventional vehicles and alleviate concerns about running out of power on the road. Toyota's new engine could appeal to consumers who are hesitant to make the switch to electric vehicles due to concerns about charging infrastructure and battery longevity. Despite efforts to expand charging networks and improve battery technology, EVs still face challenges in terms of charging convenience and the potential for battery degradation over time. Toyota's engine offers a familiar alternative that leverages the existing infrastructure of gas stations and refueling stations, providing a sense of reassurance for drivers who may be reluctant to embrace electric mobility fully. Another factor that could contribute to the success of Toyota's new engine is its potential to offer superior performance compared to electric vehicles. While EVs are known for their instant torque and smooth acceleration, traditional combustion engines have a proven track record of delivering exhilarating driving experiences. Toyota's engine aims to combine the best of both worlds by offering enhanced fuel efficiency without compromising on performance, appealing to enthusiasts who value the thrill of driving. Toyota's expertise in hybrid technology could give it a competitive edge in the transition towards more sustainable transportation solutions. The company's successful Prius lineup has established it as a leader in hybrid technology, with millions of units sold worldwide since its introduction in the late 1990s. By leveraging its experience in hybrid powertrains, Toyota could position itself as a formidable player in the evolving automotive landscape, offering a diverse range of vehicles that cater to different consumer preferences and market segments. Toyota's bold strategy is not without its challenges and potential pitfalls. The success of its new engine technology hinges on several factors, including regulatory approval, market acceptance, and the scalability of production. In an era where environmental concerns are at the forefront of public discourse, Toyota must navigate the delicate balance between meeting consumer demand for cleaner transportation options and maintaining profitability. The rapid pace of technological innovation in the automotive industry means that Toyota's competitors are unlikely to sit idly by while it seeks to revolutionize the market. Established players like Tesla, Nissan, and Volkswagen have invested heavily in EV technology and are unlikely to relinquish their positions without a fight. Additionally, startups and disruptors in the EV space are constantly emerging, challenging traditional automakers to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changing market dynamics. Despite these challenges, Toyota's announcement signals a bold and ambitious vision for the future of transportation. By developing a new engine technology that promises to rival the efficiency and performance of electric vehicles, Toyota is staking its claim as a trailblazer in an industry undergoing profound transformation. Whether Toyota's gamble pays off remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: the automotive landscape is set for a dramatic shift, and Toyota intends to be at the forefront of the revolution. As the automotive industry braces for this potential paradigm shift, speculation is rife about the implications of Toyota's new engine technology on other players in the market. Automakers that have heavily invested in electric vehicle development may face increased competition from Toyota's alternative approach. Companies like Tesla, which have built their brand around the promise of a sustainable future powered by electric mobility, may find themselves in a position of having to defend their market dominance against a formidable rival. Toyota's announcement could prompt other automakers to reconsider their strategies and explore alternative propulsion technologies. While electric vehicles have dominated headlines in recent years, there is still room for innovation and diversification within the automotive industry. Toyota's focus on improving the efficiency and performance of conventional engines highlights the potential for continued advancements in internal combustion technology, challenging the notion that electric propulsion is the only path forward. At the same time, Toyota's commitment to sustainability cannot be overlooked. The company has made significant strides in reducing its environmental footprint through initiatives such as the development of hybrid and fuel cell vehicles. Toyota's new engine technology could represent another step towards achieving its long-term sustainability goals by offering a cleaner and more efficient alternative to traditional combustion engines. The implications of Toyota's announcement extend beyond the automotive industry to broader discussions about the future of transportation and energy. While electric vehicles have garnered widespread attention as a solution to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and combating climate change, they are not without their challenges. Issues such as battery production, recycling, and supply chain sustainability have raised concerns about the environmental impact of electric mobility. Toyota's new engine technology could provide an alternative pathway to achieving sustainability in transportation, while addressing some of the shortcomings associated with electric vehicles. By improving the efficiency of conventional engines, Toyota aims to reduce emissions and reliance on fossil fuels without the need for large-scale infrastructure investments or changes in consumer behavior. This approach could appeal to policymakers and stakeholders looking for pragmatic solutions to the challenges of decarbonizing the transportation sector. Critics argue that Toyota's focus on internal combustion technology may be short-sighted given the long-term trends towards electrification and renewable energy. While the company's new engine technology may offer immediate benefits in terms of performance and convenience, it could ultimately hinder progress towards a more sustainable and emissions-free transportation system. Toyota's track record of innovation and resilience suggests that the company is not afraid to challenge conventional wisdom and chart its own course. With decades of experience in automotive manufacturing and a strong commitment to research and development, Toyota is well positioned to succeed in its ambitious endeavor to revolutionize the engine technology landscape. Whether the company's new engine proves to be a game-changer remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: Toyota's announcement has reignited debates about the future of mobility and the role of different propulsion technologies in shaping it. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, could you leave your comments below And tell us what's your initial reaction to Toyota CEO Koji's announcement about the new engine. We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.